Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best cash app way to avoid scams. So let's quickly dive into it. If you use cash app daily, the best way to avoid scams is to never send money to someone or anyone you don't know, especially for giveaways, flips, or promises of doubling your cash. Always verify username, use the security log, and turn on notifications so you catch any suspicious activities instantly. And remember, Cash App will never DM you for login codes or ask you to verify your account with a payment. Another smart move is to only use Cash App support inside the app, avoid clicking random links, and keep your PIN or Face ID enabled at all times. If anything feels rushed or too good to be true, it's almost always a scam. Stay safe out there, and if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more quick Cash App safety tips. And that's it.